Everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you block someone, how do you block a user on Fiverr. So let's get into the video. So for whatever reason you might want to block someone on Fiverr, so to do that what you have to do is log into your Fiverr account. So once I've logged in, then what you can do is look for the username that you want to block or the person that you want to block. So for example, I'll just use a random one here, so maybe that one. Okay, so I'll just use that one here. Okay, this seller here, so I'll just use that. So what you have to do is click on it. So click on the user. So you'll get, once you click on the user, you'll get the information. So what you have to do is click on contact. So if you click on contact, it will go to the message tab where you can message the person. So what you can do here now is on your top right there will be three dots there. Click on it, and there will be an option called block user. So what you can do is if you click on block user, so that is now blocked, so the user is now blocked. Alright, so that's how you block someone on Fiverr. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Thank you.